In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Trello. Whether you're cleaning up a board or making room for new projects, this guide will help you remove lists you no longer need. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is where you'll log into your Trello account to access your boards. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll see options to log in using either your email or your Google account. Choose your preferred method and go ahead with the login process. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Boards section. Here you'll see a list of all the boards you have access to. Look for the section labelled Your Workspaces. This is where your personal boards and any boards from workspaces you belong to are located. Now click on the specific board that contains the list you want to delete. Clicking on the board will open it up, allowing you to view all the lists and cards currently organised on that board. Once you're inside your chosen board, look for the list that you want to delete. You'll see three little dots next to the list name. These dots represent the menu options for that list. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Archive this list. This action doesn't immediately delete the list, but sends it to a different section where you can permanently delete it if desired. With the list archived, your next step is to click on the three dots located at the upper right corner of the board. This action will open a larger menu specific to your board. Scroll down until you find the option titled Archived Items and click on it. This section displays all the lists and cards that you have archived, providing a staging area where you can decide whether to restore them or delete them permanently. Inside the Archived Items section, you'll notice an option to switch between cards and lists. Click on Switch to Lists to make sure you're viewing your archived lists. Once you've switched to lists, search for the list you just archived. Beside each archived list, you'll see a trash can icon. Clicking on the trash can will prompt you with the option to delete that list. Finally, confirm your decision by clicking Delete. This action will permanently remove the list from your board. Be sure you really want to delete it because, unlike archiving, deletion is irreversible. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a list in Trello. This method helps keep your boards organised and free of unnecessary clutter. I hope you found this guide useful and that it makes managing your Trello boards a little bit easier. If you have any questions, feel free to browse the comments or reach out to Trello support for more assistance.